Hey there guys, old man Chris, briefly in the shop. I just put the heater on for a bit, and being stingy I'm not going to keep it running too long. I think I brought the temperature up from about 22 to 35. it's ridiculous. I'm only throwing this in, it's absolute trivia. I was watching Mr. Pete. He was referring to how you can break a T-slot if your stud or bolt is going through the T-nut and not bottoming out, but actually going through and acting as a jack. And I thought I better check one or two of my T-nuts because I wasn't quite sure. This one's almost all right. All I'm doing is upsetting, putting across, basically just upsetting the bottom there. This one was virtually all right. It's one that I had to modify. Yeah, that goes in good. And I didn't get the camera going. I've done a couple of others which were suspect, and I've done the same thing here. I forget whether the thread was going right through or not, but having upset, keep going out of frame, having upset the material there in 4 places, we're good to go. But I know my old rotary table's got a chunk missing from a T-slot. I wouldn't mind betting it was the same sort of problem. That now stops it coming right to the bottom. Obviously, in an ideal world, the T-slot wants to be part threaded, like 95% of the way down or something. Anyway, just mentioning that because I'd forgotten about it. And these two in particular, I hadn't checked. I don't think I'd used them, but I hadn't checked, just as well I did. Alright, so if you don't want to overjack your T-nuts and break a T-slot, it's worth checking that, and I think that's basically a pretty quick fix, just an upset. Alright, that's going to be about it this time. I'm working on a renovation of a very old huge blow lamp. I won't go into it now, I've got it in pieces. That'll be a separate video eventually. In fact, by all accounts, it will get a bit less cold in about 2 or 3 days, so I'm hoping I can get out here again. So that's it, no intro, nothing on the end, just a quick hi. I hope you're all coping. There's some Randy and others over there in West Coast. There seems to be some very wicked weather and excessive rain. I hope you guys are all coping alright. And where else? Gosh, almost southeast. Had snow you should normally never get. And New England, load of snow. Guess what? It's winter. See you later guys, sometime or other. Bye for now. Thanks for watching.